Hey techies, Anthony from HNE here, and today we have a vacuum cleaner. It's okay. I wanted it so I can primarily clean my PlayStation 5 and my computer's fans, and as you can see, it's not branded really. I mean, it says Honk, but I mean, really, Honk? The brand, when you go buy this on Amazon, that's not even what it says, who sells it. Anyway, 65 watts, has a 4 kPa, whatever that means, I don't know, 5 volts charging. Yeah. So how do I explain this? It charges through USB, but you probably should have a power brick. It does not give you a power brick, and that is just the way it is. You need the filter to be clean if you want it to do any good, and it doesn't have a large storage area for waste, so it's not like you can do a whole room, you know. This is one device at a time. And as it did say, it is rechargeable. It comes in this box. Got everything? Okay, cool. With some instructions. They're basics, just how to clean it, how to change the adjustable nozzle on it, you know, take out the filter. It has in a couple of languages, it's fine. It also comes with a, hey, it's been safety checked, you know. Comes with a carrying case. The whole thing does fit in here. It's very sleek looking, so, you know, that makes sense. I don't know if I'll ever use a carrying case, but, you know, it's an option if I want to. So here is the nozzle bit. This is kind of clever. It does this thing where this is adjustable. Like, I don't understand why it would need to be mid-range adjustable. I mean, just set this back to here and use the nozzle piece, but it goes all the way back to here. So I'm not, maybe there's a circumstance where you want it to be kind of like this, but I mean, you know, on and off is all really what matters to me. So, you know, that's nifty. Here is the cord. It is USB-C, so that's nice. But again, you need to find your own power brick. There it is. I was trying to look for this. There is this thing. This is a little brush just for some hand detailing, you know, when you're doing collectibles or fan blades and this thing cannot get in there. And that's actually probably going to be useful. So here is what this looks like, and it looks pretty good. There's a little LED light on here. Once you turn it on, here's the charging port. Nothing else about it that really stands out. If you twist the top off, here is what the inside is. It is a fairly loud and substantial bit of suction, and I'll show you in a sec how much output it has. Here's the filter, you know, general filter paper in here, and of course you got to clean that out. And then of course there's a cover here so the dust doesn't fall out, but while it's doing its thing it'll open it, so that's pretty nifty. I do like that fact. The filter just kind of rests in here. There's no real like lock-in or anything. So when you are putting this on, there are 2 contacts inside here. You just want to line those up and then twist, and that is it. So I'm gonna move some of this stuff out of the way a little bit, and we're going to use this book here. I'm going to show you this amount of suction on this. Now you got to hold the button down, and it's going to get loud. You're not going to be able to hear me, so don't expect me to talk while I'm doing this. But I'm just going to show you the level of suction and how much air is being pushed out. So it is fairly powerful back there. I noticed that the little flap here doesn't go all the way back, but you know, I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna be a problem or what. So then this piece, it goes on, it just fits snugly in there, like this, easy enough. And so I dusted it the other day, but I forgot to get a shelf. And if you know anything about me and you've seen the other channels, I'm a collector, and in this case, I collected this car. It's an old style Corvette. And it is dusty, as you can clearly see. So I think I'll do 2 things. First off, I'm going to see how it vacuums when no nozzle's on, and then it will focus it with the nozzle and the little duster. So we'll try a couple things. Again, while it's on, you're not going to be able to hear me. Oh, you'll hear this vacuum though. So you did pretty good. And then this is why you need one of these. So you can get the rest of this bit off because you can't fit the nozzle in there. But as you can see, it did a real good job. I wasn't aware that one of the tabs was broken on this thing, so I just pulled it off. As you see, the tab is broken in here. But all in all, it did a decent job, I think. And I'm going to have to re-glue this back on. Although, like, you build a model, you think you would, like, keep dust out of it somehow. Anyway, so, I mean, look at how well we did just for a quick once-over. And so it does the job. It definitely does. Now, let's see what the filter looks like. Look at that. So it is effective. It is definitely effective. So for the sale price, it was at $20 US. Pretty good. For $30, you know, depends if you really need something like this, but I mean, so far so good. I mean, I just love the fact that the cover goes back in place to keep the dust from coming back out, because it is just in there. It's just against the filter. So for me, definitely worth the buy. It does a fantastic job. Might be what you're looking for.
With that said, tell me in the comments your thoughts on this item. Did you get it, and how was your experience with it? Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.